Hi, this is Mr. Blais with another tech tip of the week. I'm going to be piggybacking off of Mr. Vaca's YouTube account creation video and just refining some more tips for you to help you out in distance learning this week. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, your school, mahonison.org. Then you're going to select the waffle icon in the top right hand corner. Then select YouTube. Once YouTube channel loads, you're going to select your icon in the top right hand corner. Mine says D, Dino Dan Likes Pizza. Select Create a Channel. Again, it's in the top right hand corner. Select Create a Channel. Then you're going to select Get Started. And this is what's creating your channel. So right here you're going to be given a choice about the name for your channel. Just keep in mind that this will also show up as your email. So if you choose a silly one like Dino Dan like I did, then all your emails will show up as from dinodan@mahonison.org. So be careful of the name you choose. Make sure it reflects your YouTube account and what you want to your account to stand for. For here, some ideas: if you teach math, you could put Mr. Smith's Math channel. That would be fine. I'm choosing Dino Dan because that's a generic account I went with. But again, make sure this channel name is one that you want to reflect what your channel is about. Select the checkbox, create. It takes a moment. And here we can go ahead and we can upload a profile picture of our account. This will represent us on YouTube the same way it does in your Gmail. So I'm just going to select, I don't have a photograph here of myself quick, so I'm going to select a picture of a generic one of an art, since I'm an artist, Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night. And you can adjust that as you need to. Now we're going to go down and tell the viewers about our channel. Give a brief description. I'm putting one about my channel is all about dinosaurs. So if yours is all about math, just let people know what your channel is about. Be descriptive, and it helps people find your channel when online. Now if you have a website, you can add that. You can also add in your Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram information here now, or you could set it up later. I'm saving and continuing now. Now once you're here, we're going to customize our channel. This channel that we're gonna is my Dino Dan channel, and I'm going to add some cover art, and this is kind of like your landing page for people on YouTube. So make sure you choose an image that reflects what your channel is about. The first picture I'm going to try to upload, it'll tell me is too small. If you notice, it tells me in the bottom right hand side how big it should be. So I have to select a larger photo. I'm going to select one of my son. He was helping me pick up pine cones for an art project my older son ended up making. It takes a second to upload, and if it's successful, you can choose apply. And now if you can try to crop it or move it around. Sometimes you can't, so just save it as it is or select another photo. And now we're about ready to begin to upload our first video. So I'm going to select the camera and then upload video. Now from within your studio channel, you're right here, your studio dashboard. What you're going to do is select upload video. You can upload video from your desktop, from an external hard drive, flash drive, SD cards, and many other options. Select upload. Now you notice right here it says your video will be private until you publish it. So I'm going to select a file. It's important to note that private means no one will be able to see this video and only you. So that's good to start with. Select. See if we go to videos. I'm going to find a good video to upload here. Let's see. I have a few good ones here. Alright, so here's a recent video I just made. I'm just going to upload a part of it. Once you see the arrow going up, you're uploading. In the bottom left-hand corner, it will show you the progress of your uploaded video. Here, put in a title. And here, you give a description. When the video is done processing, you'll be able to select a thumbnail of what the video looks like. And choose one that best represents the video. You can create a playlist here if you're creating like for subjects, if you're like how to fractions for math, if you're doing one like earth science, you create a particular playlist of videos to keep things organized for students on the channel. Speaking of students, you can select here, yes, it's made for kids, which I always do. And once you select that, people will not be able to comment on the video either. Select more options. Here you can put tags in. I'll put in drawing, tutorial, educational, art, whatever tags you want to have. The more tags you put in, the more visible your video will be on YouTube. Then you're going to select, obviously, the correct language. You don't have to select the recording date. If you did, I'm just going to put today's date. You don't have to put location. If you want people to allow embedding or putting it on their site, you can uncheck that if you don't want it. If you want to publish it, the category for me is how to, but there's a lot of other categories that you can put up there, like education as well. If you notice here, it's grayed out to comment visibility. You can't change any of that, no comments. I would select show how many viewers like and dislike the video. And then in video elements, you won't really need to be able to adjust any of these because it is for children. You cannot add any video elements. For visibility, you could select save, publish, public, which means everybody can see it. You want to set as a premiere, like the main video people see when they go to your channel. Unlisted, anyone with the video link can see it, but like if you just want to send it to students, but didn't want to have it be public on YouTube. Private, only you and a very small select group of people can see the video. Or you could schedule the video to appear at a certain time, so you can all watch it together, but the video is public. A couple tips about publishing if your video is for children. So when you're done, click save. It will take a little bit of time to upload and then to process the video. So make sure that you don't post the link until your video is done being processed. Click save, and I'm going to choose unlisted for now. Click save, and then it will tell you how long it will take to be processed, about 10 minutes, and then you can share your link. So that's how to create a YouTube channel as well as get a video uploaded. Thanks so much.